coming here. This is a NAC circuit. We are coming here for this one.
This is NAC one, huh?
Yeah.
Only one circuit you are using?
The as-built two NAC circuit inside the motherboard itself. You see this one. So we have an additional one NAC circuit extra. So we put additional NAC card for that separate one. And one we put spare. We have additional, if in case of future, you need to add
Means
some
you
sound
made two class B.
Yeah, 3 class B, right?
3 class B.
B, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So if in case of future, you need to add some sounders in other room or something like that, you can provide this one. And the resistor will be end of line, you know. And this is the overall loop indication here. We have, you see, you already here in this one training. We have 4 class A or 8 class B circuits. We can provide this one. So how this one is addressing? You will see this one maximum of 504 address here. Maximum of 504, and it will be splitted in these two, same like that. 256 in this circuit, 256 in this circuit. This one we can put up to 1 to 256 itself, or you can split 1 to 126, or you can put to another one, same like that. But usually you have to see this one. When you are putting 1 to 100 in one circuit, you have to start the addressing here from 101. You get me? 101. Plus 1. Yeah. No, it's not a. And speaking about generally, you don't care about this thing. Only generally, I'm telling about that.
So when you need, for example, for additional devices, you need a special circuit.
Yeah, I can make that one. Same one.
From left side to right side?
Yeah, from this one, loop one.
Loop 1.
Okay, this one we put for the override panel. Only this one.
Which one?
This one, override panel.
These two, this is override.
This is the loops. These 3 is the loops.
Field devices.
Field devices, yes. This one only good for the override.
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 From here only or what are reading?
From here only. Here only. In the field, we are taking control modules, relay modules, input modules from the field, all in the loops. This one for this only, override panel. So,
I think this diagram also you have to provide for each camera.
yeah, this one already here, but in the dressing. See, every cable in out the road should be.
No, he puts the
Okay. This one for the fire relay, trouble relay is some program. So
It is already okay.
yeah, as per the final QCD signal will be gone from here. We put 190 second delay for this one. Right now the telephone connection is not here. QCD is not. So only fix this one. After that we will make it. 180 second delay for this relays. We have trouble relay, we have supervisory, and we have a programmable relay. It's up to the program.
this battery is missing here. No?
Yeah.
CMOS battery.
Two cards. I'm telling you this one. FCI 2016 card. FCI 2016 card. Any external peripheral like override panel, like printer, you have to provide this FCI 2016. This card, one card FCI 2016 is supporting this override panel, this printer. If this one not there, it will be not. It will not.
It's for data through the RS485.
Yeah.
For data.
Field data, all of this one controlled by this. And we have, you can see one wire is going inside and one wire here. It will become this.
So that module go to printer. So we cannot connect the printer through the module.
Why you are providing this one?
This one for the printer.
For the printer.
So required separate module?
Yeah, additional, it's not an inbuilt printer. It will.
Normally all other panels come here itself. No?
Yeah. No, another panel is coming inbuilt.
So what is the purpose of this one?
This one for the QCD, same like
Okay.
It is serial printer or parallel? This one?
parallel.
It's a parallel.
Parallel.
Normally,
No, maximum for parallel is
Unit for overhead panel, sir. This one for the LEDs and this one for the switches. Switches, yeah. Yeah. This is for the LEDs. Huh? This one for the LEDs and that one for all the switches.
You can like put some this one like cable tie.
If we stay tight, it's okay to take
Silencer better.
सही नहीं, दूसरा नहीं जो ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर में कवर कर रहा है, ये प्रेशराइजेशन का है।
कितना स्टेप कैसे है?
एक ही
एक ही स्टेप में से एक वो है।
कमेंट देने के लिए हम लोग कंसल्टेंट करेंगे। हम लोग को जानकारी कैसा कैसा काम करता है वो मालूम नहीं क्यों